Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm one of the University of Arizona's HPC consultants. Today I'm going to show you how to open a Jupyter notebook from inside of a Singularity image on HPC. To do this, we're going to use OnDemand, which is a web application that is used to access HPC resources. To get to this page, you will go to ood.hpc.arizona.edu. This will prompt you to go through the typical web auth process, and once you successfully log in, you will see this dashboard. We're going to be using a virtual desktop session that can be found under Interactive Apps, Interactive Desktop. This will take us to a web form. This web form is where you fill out the cluster you want, the compute resources you need, and your accounting information. Once you click Launch, this will submit a Slurm batch job, and it will be shown as a tile on this next page. Now, I already have an interactive desktop running, so I'm going to click Launch Interactive Desktop. And as a note, as soon as the queued job above starts running, it will look the same as the second. So when I click Launch Interactive Desktop Session, it will take me to my home directory on HPC and provide a graphical interface. To start a Jupyter notebook, we're going to need two applications. The first is a terminal that you can find in the top left-hand corner. I'm going to make it just a bit bigger so you can see it. And the second is a Firefox web browser. Now, the assumption is that you have some sort of Singularity image in your account that you want to start and then execute a notebook inside of. So we're going to be using a Singularity image that is already on HPC. So in case you were unaware, we have a location called contrib Singularity NVIDIA. And inside of there, we have a lot of different images that we've downloaded from the NVIDIA catalog. So these are a lot of machine learning packages, etc. We're going to be using TensorFlow 2.6. So in order to get our Jupyter notebook started, we're going to need to start a shell instance inside of our Singularity image. The command to do this is Singularity shell. And then we're going to put in the name of our CIF file. So this would be NVIDIA TensorFlow 2.6 in this particular case, but you would replace this with your own image file. All right, and now we have a shell instance inside of our image. So to run a Jupyter notebook, you run the command Jupyter notebook. This will give you two links. We're going to copy the first one, and we're going to paste it into our web browser. As a note, if you use the second link, Firefox will complain. All right, and now we have our notebook up and running, and we can start new kernels, etc. Now, if you have any questions about how to use OnDemand or containers on HPC, you can always go to docs.hpc.arizona.edu. There's a lot more comprehensive information on this there. That link will take you to a Confluence page where you can find under the user guide a containers page, as well as a page on OnDemand. Hope this helps, and see you next time.